We're going to do a brake bulb on this IONIQ, which is this outside one. This is a 2021. First we're going to open the hatch here. We're going to pop these. You can see we got a Phillips screwdriver or a 10mm socket. So I'll get my get those out, just like that. And now it's not just going to pop out, we're going to have to use some force. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to push this way while hitting. I'm going to do it softer at first, see if it comes off, and I'm going to gradually get harder and harder until I get it out. This one was like really in there. Like these notches. So what I ended up doing was we had this plastic like cover here that the bolts went out. I took that off, and then I put a crowbar right down here and trying to wedge it in there on the light there somewhere, and then, you know, did the crowbar action to pop it out. But, you know, it was really in there. A lot of these can be. We were pain in the. So this is the bulb. We're just gonna pop. This is the brake light bulb. You can see it's kind of discolored. This should be a little twist. See the notches there? That's going to be important. It's only going to fit in one way correctly. One of these slides here is going to be deeper than the other slide. Little grooves on the side. So let's get our new bulb. Get the new bulb. See which side has the groove that goes down the farthest. Looks like this way. Put it in there. It's like maybe a quarter turn. Go back in there. That's maybe a quarter turn. We're going to slide it back in. We're going to make sure that that white right there fits into that groove right there, because that'll keep it up against the body. If you miss that, it's going to stick out a little bit and you'll notice it. So we get it all lined up, push in, give it a little click. Actually, I can put the screws back in before I even put that cover on. I don't know what the torque is on these, but it doesn't take a lot of torque. You just snug them up. Okay. There we go. Close those up. Tail light is good to go. Thanks for watching this.